welcome back. I'm Chris Singer and this is Sophia Fadillo and we're with Roatan Life Real Estate, and today we're in the beautiful Palmetto Bay. Sophia, tell me a little bit about Palmetto Bay and a little bit about where we are inside Palmetto Bay.
Okay, so Palmetto Bay is a beachfront community. They have miles of white sand beachfront. They have a restaurant, they have a bar, they have a great community here, and right now we're in Laru Beya. Laru Beya is a beachfront home. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home.
Just around 4,000 square feet, right?
Just around 4,000 square feet.
Great.
This is MLS 20-221, and we're listed at $829,000.
That is a fantastic piece of property. Do you know, look at this garden. I mean, this is gorgeous back here. I guess it's the front.
This is the front of the house, and this is a great tropical garden, yes.
Fantastic. Should we take a peek inside?
Yeah, let's go inside.
Oh, I'm so excited. Look at that view.
Great ocean view from the minute you walk into this home.
This is truly what they say, beachfront, island living. We are in the Caribbean when you can open up all of your doors and hear the waves.
Absolutely, and this is a great open concept living space. The indoor and the outdoor living space mesh to become one, or you can have two. You know, it's such a great space.
It really is, and you have really large windows, and these all slide open. You really do bring the outdoors in. I mean, literally with our beautiful flowers as well.
Absolutely, so let's have a look right here.
Sure. Oh, it's so nice to have your own private pool, and this is really big enough if you wanted to swim a lap or so, you could.
This is a great sized pool right here on the beachfront, and you know, lots of space here for entertaining, lounging. You've got a lower end of the pool, you've got a deeper end of the pool. It's fantastic.
Great little barbecue, you have some outdoor dining space, and we should really mention this is a Trex-like deck, which really means that you never have to replace it.
No.
Low maintenance living.
Very, very low maintenance.
Garden hose it, done.
Wonderful.
Love that. Wow, this is lovely. Little barbecue area. And of course, you can just walk right onto the beach, go for a swim. And they do have a really great on-site dive center here at Palmetto Bay as well.
They do. So you can dive, you can snorkel, you can kayak, you can paddleboard. Palmetto Bay is in a bay, and so it's a little bit quieter. Right now we're just coming off a storm, so the water's a little bit rougher than usual, but typically it's very calm here.
Really nice, very nice. And the HOA does take care of the beach as well as the main pool and the restaurant and all of that good stuff.
Right, so Palmetto Bay has an HOA here. They're established, and it's $3,700 a year. That includes 24-hour security, so there's security for the home as well as the entrance of Palmetto Bay.
Yeah, it is gated.
It is a gated community. They do patrols. It's a very safe community, as well as it includes the common area maintenance, common area lighting, the gardening. It also includes the water. Yeah, there is a well here for Palmetto Bay. There's also a on-site dive shop, restaurant, and then on that site there's a pool which is for the community use.
Absolutely perfect. And they also keep up, there's really beautiful tropical gardens throughout Palmetto Bay that you can go on nice long walks if you're a walker, or even a run. They did a fun 5K run. It was challenging, I'm not gonna lie.
It was great, but we did good. We did pretty good.
Finished.
But this is a great eco development.
Yeah, and they have lots of new little bridges that they've done. They've really maintained the property. And we should also mention Palmetto Bay is off the new highway.
Right, so the government just redid the road to Palmetto Bay, so it's now quick access. We say that Palmetto Bay is about half mid-island, but with this new road, it's really quick. It's 10 minutes to French Harbor. It's about 10 minutes to Sandy Bay.
I was going to say about 15 minutes to West End.
To West End.
You're in your nightlife.
Nightlife, entertainment, all of that. And then about 20 minutes to West Bay. So really, you're not far from anything.
This is great full-time living, but would really make an incredible beach rental as well. I mean,
absolutely. And this one's already in a rental, so there is rental information if a client was interested in that.
Great.
And there's on-site management.
Fantastic. We also, of course, have to mention we are just steps from the Roatan Island Brewery Company.
Right, so that's a great new addition to this area.
Yeah. So we have a great little brewery right next door for some entertainment for those that are just wanting some vacations. But anyway, should we take a look at this 4-bedroom house?
Yes, let's walk right back into the living area, and we'll quickly show the dining and the kitchen as well.
This is really open concept living, and we've got beautiful tile work
Very nice flooring, the furniture's great, and just such a great space. There's so much room for, you know,
it's really wonderful high ceilings, so you get a lot of natural light. I mean, for entertaining purposes, as well as if anybody's here for 4 bedrooms, you've really got a nice family gathering space. I mean, look at the living area. And of course, you've got a nice, beautiful kitchen, perfectly designed for entertaining because you do have the bar, easy access out to the dining or easy access out to the barbecue area. It's really great.
this is a full kitchen and spacious kitchen. You don't always get that. Sometimes you're a little tight in there when you're trying to move around. If you do have a full house, you've got lots of space here to cook, to clean, and to entertain.
Prep, entertain. I can see some drinks going on here.
Well, I think this is a little bit of a bar area.
I like it. So I like it a lot. Should we talk about the appliances? This does come fully turnkey.
Yeah, so this is a turnkey furnished property, so all the appliances and furnishings are included.
So in here we have, looks like GE, and we've got Frigidaire, so we've got some really nice appliances, high end. We've got the gas 6 burner. I love that. Does it have 2 racks? Ooh,
It has 2 racks. So that's great. Here on the island, sometimes we do have some power outages, so it's always great to have a gas stove.
Absolutely. And of course these wonderful windows, we haven't really talked about it, but the natural light that comes into this house is really beautiful because you've got these bay windows throughout. It's really lovely. And they've done a nice job with a lot of island woodwork, would you say?
Yeah. Yes, and it gives you a great tropical feel. You really feel that you're in the tropics with the ocean on one side and all the gardens on the other. It's just so lovely.
It is lovely. And it's all low maintenance because somebody else takes care of it.
Absolutely,
Gotta love
right?
that.
Great for property management. So something else that we should mention is that there are 2 masters on this in this home. So there's a first floor master and then there's a second master upstairs. So let's go to the first floor master.
The first floor master is so great for either maybe some people that don't want to have to do stairs anymore, or if you just want a little separation for couples, it's quite nice.
Absolutely. And so we have a half bath here. We'll just have a quick look-see at there with some storage under the stairs.
A little owner lock off.
Yeah, great space to keep your things while you're not here. And then let's go to this master.
Oh wow, so this is great. A king size bed with an ocean view.
And access to the deck. So you can just step in and out whenever you want.
That's always nice. And you've got a beautiful ensuite bathroom. I mean, this is a huge ensuite.
It's a great size. Yeah, absolutely. Let's have a look. Look at the shower. It is a great size.
I have to do it. It is huge, and this is all nice travertine.
Yes,
Really
very
beautiful.
nice. Nice details in here.
Nice finishes, granite up here. Lovely.
His and her sink, which just make things a little bit easier, especially when you're traveling. You don't want to have to mess with sharing.
No, of course not.
And let's take a quick tour upstairs.
You know, Sophia, we should also take note that there's also air conditioner on the main level for the main living area, as well as each of the bedrooms.
Absolutely. So that allows you to keep things cool and just the area that you're in cool.
Very economic. And we should also talk about these wood floors. They're beautiful.
Beautiful wood
Nice
floors
hard
throughout the home. So here we are in a large, den space. Great for entertaining if you have the kids and they want to watch TV while the adults are downstairs. Such a great extra space.
It really is. Bonus room up here. This is fantastic.
And you have a mini split here.
Very good. And then we also have an extra office upstairs that is currently locked off right now because it is an owner's lock-off. But you could make it an office or you could use it as the lock-off.
Right. So these owners come down here quite often, so they have their stuff stored in there that they just want to keep locked up. But if not, if you're here full-time and you needed a place to work, that's great space.
Excellent. And then we do have laundry upstairs, which is really wonderful because then that's where all of your clothes are anyway in most of the bedrooms.
Right, and this is something that if you wanted to reconfigure this section a little bit, you could absolutely do that.
Yeah, because there isn't actually an extra deck out there too. You could enclose and put laundry out there.
Absolutely. So here we have the guest suites. There's 2 dual guest suites right here. So this is the garden view guest suite. Good size room.
Yeah, you've got a full-size bed. And you've got, again, the nice air conditioning, vaulted ceilings, and of course a beautiful bay window again.
So amazing to wake up to these tropical views.
Oh, it's just lovely. And nice furnishings.
Very nice furnishings. And here we have the full bath for the guests,
Which
Let's
is
have
really
it.
quite nice.
Yeah.
Very nice finishes.
And then here's the next guest bedroom. This one's set up for kids because, you know,
Sometimes you have them.
sometimes you have them. If not, this could be turned into a regular guest bedroom. It's large enough to accommodate a queen or a full bed.
I definitely think a queen easily.
And then you have this wonderful view overlooking the pool and ocean views.
And of course that nice wave.
The waves,
Love to hear
listen
waves.
to the ocean. That's just fantastic.
Very nice. And they have all the nice high-end windows as well on the
Right,
sliders.
so these are double paned and they keep the sound out, they keep the breeze out. They're just fantastic.
Really nice. And again, of course, a splitter. But let's see that master. I've heard so many things about it.
It is really a sight, so let's go check that out. Are you ready for this?
I am so ready. I'm expecting, wow!
And look at this, you walk in here and the first thing you see is the ocean and you hear the ocean.
This is a beautiful use of space. It's nice, it's large, you've got the high ceilings, you've got a lot of natural light, and of course this view is absolutely outstanding.
And the nice thing is they do have the blackout
Pull down.
pull downs so that, you know, if you don't want to get up the crack of dawn, you absolutely don't have to.
That's always good. And it does have a big walk-in closet, correct?
It does. You want to have a look?
I do. Should we take a look at that big walk-in closet?
Let's go.
After you.
So unfortunately the light is out in here, but this is a great walk-in closet. Lots of space. You've got room that you can pack your luggage away. You don't have to see it. You can hang out all of your...
Yeah, because there's actually additional storage up there.
There's additional storage up there. So this was really well thought out.
And it's nice that it's airy because you can just walk through on either side, which is great for island living, honestly.
Absolutely.
Let's take a look at this big master bath.
So this is also an incredible master bath.
This is beautiful travertine work. We've got the granite, the nice hardwoods, and of course this shower is just, it's outrageously fabulous.
His and her shower.
His and her shower.
This is great.
And you can keep an eye on things. I like it.
You can keep an eye on things, or if you want, you can have a little bit of privacy.
Always good. We get the natural light, but I would like it with that.
You're gonna live on the wild
I'm
side?
gonna go to the wild side. But let's go enjoy that deck one more time.
Yes. So what a great space.
It really is quite lovely. This is beautiful out here. And again, just stunning views. You can't really go wrong in Palmetto Bay. It's a private gated neighborhood. You've got some people that are living here full time, but you also have some vacation rentals, especially with that on-site management. It's great.
It makes things so easy. And then you can walk for miles on the beach. It's a safe community. You can come here and use your own pool. And, you know, you've got some great neighbors too.
Well, that's fantastic. I think it's really worth taking a look at on your next trip, right?
Absolutely. So guys, thank you for joining us today. We're here at Laru Beya in Palmetto Bay, and this is MLS 20-221, and we're listed here at $829,000 USD. If you have any questions, send us a quick note, and we'd be happy to answer them for you.
One more thing, they would consider financing.
They would consider financing, yes.
Always good. Well, thanks so much for watching. We hope to see you next time. Bye.
Bye.